Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious homemade Mongolia dish that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious ground beef Magnolia dish, these are the ingredients: black pepper, vegetable oil, 8 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of sugar, sesame seeds, chili flakes, white wine, cornstarch, soy sauce low in salt, chicken broth, scallions, and of course 1 pound of ground beef. So let's get started. Here I want to start first by dicing my 8 garlic cloves, but first I'm going to smash them, and then I am going to dice them really good so that they really release all the amazing flavor into the sauce that we are going to make. Look at this. Let me get a plate. Let me add everything in here, and now we're ready to add the chicken broth. I have half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of wine, white wine, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, cornstarch, 2 tablespoons, and we are going to whisk everything really good until the cornstarch has dissolved completely. When this is done, we are going to put it aside, and we are going to continue with the scallions. Look at this. I am going to slice through the center and then slice it one more time. And I am going to use the whole scallion. Look at this. This is going to give the meat such a delicious and amazing flavor. Don't throw anything away. Once you have chopped your scallions, then you are ready to start cooking the ground beef. In this hot pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm going to add 1 pound of lean ground beef. I'm going to pull it apart. Let me tell you, this Mongolia dish comes out amazing. You are really going to love it. And the best thing that it's made at home, and you have control of how much oils and salt you add to this amazing recipe. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I'm not going to add any salt to it right now. I'm not going to add anything because everything is already in the amazing sauce we made at the beginning. It's already changing color. It's already leaving all those juices, releasing all the juices, the meat. I'm just going to mix it around. When it starts getting a little bit golden brown, then it's time to add the sauce. But let me show you. The bottom of the pan doesn't have any oil at all. And that's exactly how you want to cook this amazing recipe. Look at this. You're gonna move it around, lower your heat to low heat. So when it starts boiling, it starts getting nice and thick, and you're going to have a little bit of juice in the meat. Let me show you from close up. When it starts boiling, how it's going to get nice and thick. And of course, the aroma of the garlic is really going to infuse the meat. Look at this. You could see all those little pieces of the garlic, and you could see how thick it is. Of course, the aroma has invaded my kitchen. This smells delicious. Once it's boiling, remember we are cooking it in low heat. Once it's boiling, we are ready to add the onion. Spread the onion all around, making sure that everything is covered with the delicious flavor of the scallion. Mix it around and just cook it for another 2 minutes, and then you are ready to serve this delicious dish. Of course, I made white rice, 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water in my little rice maker, rice steamer. Of course, I'm going to be very generous adding my rice. But let me show you to this. I am going to add the pepper flakes. Of course, it's to taste. I'm going to add the sesame seeds, roasted sesame seeds right on the top. Make it. I am sure you're going to love it. Look how beautiful the onion looks in here. This looks amazing and it looks delicious. Of course, my steamed rice just came out of the steamer. I'm going to be very generous because this is the presentation plate. And I'm going to add the amazing meat right on the top. Let me tell you, my mouth is already watering. Nice and hot. And let me show you my rice cooker. And of course, the main ingredient. Can't wait to enjoy. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing ground beef Mongolia dish. Look at this. Of course, I added white rice from my little rice maker. It only takes 15 minutes and it comes out perfect. Well, this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Oh my God. Delicious. When I tasted it in the restaurant, I said, I could make this at home. Of course, and if I could make it, you could make it too. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing Mongolia dish. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.